How to get Elon Musk's new AI Coder Supernova for free. Okay, so as you can see, I have it, and then I'm going to give it a task, and then when I send it, you see that it is going to perform the task for me, and then it is completely free. I'm going to show you how you can get it for free. All that you have to do is simply install Visual Studio Code VS Code on your system, and then from here, simply come here to where you have the extension, and then come and then click on it. Okay, and then from the search, simply come and then search for kilo code. Okay, so this kilo code, that is kilo code AI agents. Come and click on the install button and then allow it to install. Over here you have to come and then click on trust publisher and then install, and then it is going to install the kilo code AI agent for you. So as you can see, it is installing. Just allow it to finish install. Okay, so when it's finished installing, you will see the kilo code added just like this for you in VS Code. And then as you can see, it will come just like this. Welcome to kilo code. Simply come and then click on get started. And then over here, you have to come and then sign up or create an account. It is totally free. Okay, you can create an account with any of these. Okay, so I'm simply going to go with continue with Google, and then I click on it. And then over here, they are going to authenticate you, and then you have to select your Google account. Okay, so you have to come and then select for personal. Okay, so over here, this is what you get from personal account. Come and click on continue as an individual, and then that is it. It will bring you right here. So to integrate, you simply come and then click on open in VS Code, and then over here you have to come and then click on open Visual Studio Code. Okay, and you have to be redirected to Visual Studio Code. If it doesn't, come and click here. Okay, so let's go directly to Visual Studio Code, and then over here you have to come and then allow the extension to open it by simply coming to click on open. So when you click on open, it is going to open it, and then automatically it is going to select the Grok new coder AI for you. Okay, so as you can see, this being selected. Okay, and that is it. You can come and click on it, and then you will see that from here we have all these AI that you can select. And then the first one is the new Grok AI Coder Supernova. Okay, so let me give it a task. So I'm going to say, please give me index.html code for a smartwatch. Then I click on submit. And then from here, you will see that it is going to perform the task. And as you can see, it is thinking and it's going to give me the codes. Okay, so that is it. That is the preview code. That is the editable code. And here is it. Okay, so you can take your time and then look at the code. If you don't like it, you can simply stop it. And then if you like it, you click on save, and that is it. It will be added to your editor for you. Okay, so that is it. And as you can see, task completed. So this is how to get the new Grok AI coder for free. Like the video, and I see you in my next video.